Muratori Machines and PCS presents a powerful, intuitive software with many features to help you maximize productivity, including part design, parametric design, single part import, batch import, and CSV import. With a customable materials library and a customable tools library to create a unique tool database per material. A nesting program to give the best yield possible for your material. A simulation to show your cut strategy. Labels, material reports, and nest reports are all automatically generated. Ask for a demonstration on Muratori's machine Ranger using DDX to create the programming.